Clifton Hill, Niagara Falls, Canada. We're gonna walk up one side of the hill and walk down the other side of the hill. Show you guys the whole hill. Clifton Hill, that is. Alright, let's do it. Casino, Hard Rock. Put your mask on. There's people coming. All right. Look at all the people. We're just gonna walk on the outside here. Ice cold beer. I didn't know Niagara Brewery Company was here. We should go in the fun house, babe.
No, that's okay.
Why not? We can get in line with the little kids and go in the fun house. Okay, we'll go in the haunted house, honey.
No way.
Why not?
I don't do haunted houses. They freak me out.
Look at that guy. That guy's scary right there. Let's check him out.
Come face to face with the animals of the circus and solve the cage maze puzzle.
Ah.
By taking a picture with Kitty, our ferocious lion.
Let's go see Dracula.
This majestic beast will practically eat out of your hand.
Oh, it is closed. Oh, look at the big moose. Watch out for moose crossing. Harley Davidson. Yeah. Ice cream. Usually these roads are packed with people shoulder to shoulder. I'm guessing because of COVID. Obviously there's barely anybody here. Usually both sides of the sidewalk is packed. And I'm walking on the road now. Ooh, arcade. No turning back.
Blood will curdle as you edge your way through the crypt, past the fountain, on through the gallows, and the snake pit. Beware of the body snatchers and the hunchback.
Good timing. Good timing. That was awesome. All right, and this is Victoria Street. We've made it to the corner. Next video, we will walk down the other side of Clifton Hill. Thanks for watching. Peace.